In this short tutorial, I will show you how to disable the Wi-Fi Auto Connect feature on your iPhone. By default, iPhones are set up to connect to known Wi-Fi networks automatically whenever they are within range. While this can be convenient, it may also lead to connecting to insecure or public networks without your knowledge. Luckily, disabling this feature is a simple task. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Wi-Fi. Now you will be able to see the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to, and a list of other Wi-Fi networks that are available. Just tap on the I button next to the Wi-Fi network where you want to disable the Auto Connect feature. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Auto Join. All you have to do now is just toggle off this switch next to the Auto Join option. And now you won't automatically connect to this Wi-Fi network. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.